Shipley Sharks. Are you ready to learn a super secret handshake that only the cool kids...
Whoa, Mrs. Haynes.
What?
We can't do a super secret handshake that only the cool kids know because we're all cool kids.
Oh.
Everybody. And tomorrow is another Unity Day.
I guess you're right. For Unity Day, we should probably include everybody in the secret handshake.
Sound good?
Can we do a not so secret handshake?
Let's do it!
Now we're going to break it down so everybody can learn the shark shape. High five, high five. Fist bump, boom! One person goes shark, shark,
Shark, shark.
down, up, together.
Let's try it one more time to make sure that we've got it.
High
Five, high five,
fist bump, boom! Shark, shark,
Shark, shark.
down, up, together. You got it? So everybody in the whole school is going to learn the not so secret handshake so everybody can be included. When you see a Shipley shark, you can do the shark shake with them. Everybody will know the shark shake and have a happy Unity Day! Woo!
Dance all night, keep the beat. Don't you worry about you, let me shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Dance all night, get real loose. You don't need no bad excuse. Dance all night with anyone. Don't let nobody pick your bone. Shake it up. Shake it up. Yeah, shake it up. Shake it up.